copies. No need to talk cause I sing like Roddy. Them girls fans and original copies. I was making tracks while you giving sloppies. I should drive through your hood like beep, beep. Shit, you would've thought.
What's up, YouTube? It's Jen here with 2 S's and 2 N's. And yes, I'm back with a video. But it's been a minute since I made a YouTube video. Typically, I take breaks every year. I'm not sure what's going on with me or what's up with that, but I'm back in 9 months. So I feel like I did pretty good, in my opinion. You know, it's not something that I always keep steady, but 9 months, pat on the back, you know what I'm saying? So today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do something very different. I am laying down a synthetic wig, okay? I never, ever wear synthetic wigs, but a lot of people are bringing back up synthetic wigs. So me being a person that I am, I rode in the passenger seat, but me and my lovely cousin went to the beauty supply store and we went ahead and copped a synthetic wig, okay? Now, I have already applied this wig on just to see how it looks. And let me tell you, it looks pretty freaking good, okay? So we're gonna do it on camera. I'm gonna show you. For the girls who don't have the cha-ching, very inexpensive, I'll put everything down below in the link to where you can buy it, the name, the price, and you can slay, boo. Like, you remember how synthetic wigs used to have like no type of structure? Like you would have the wig starting right here and you go about your day. Boo, there's a lace. Okay, so we're gonna try it out, okay? And I'll answer after I went ahead and applied the wig. Go ahead and give you my honest opinion, a review, and whether you should, you know, give your money up or go ahead and hoard the little change you got for something reasonable, because you never know. So if you guys want to continue watching this video, make sure to stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more lit baby videos. So we're gonna use the Got To Be glue because I'm not trying to do something too extra. I'll probably wear it for like a day, and you're not supposed to really sleep in this, so I'm gonna wear it for a day. Might take it off tomorrow. I'm not supposed to, but hey, my rules, my hair, I guess. So we're gonna use that. I have 2 different combs. Glue comb for my Got To Be, and then the actual styling comb. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm gonna actually speed it up, but you guys probably play a montage with me doing it, and then yeah, just come back if I have to input some information and stuff like that. Okay, so I went ahead and did my makeup while this headband thing was on, and you guys, I'm really trying with this pimple, but it's really irking my nerves, I'm not gonna lie. Like, my makeup will look so nice, and then hello. So we're just gonna move past that, but let's go ahead and take this down. And if you guys do want an updated makeup routine, I will go ahead and make another video for that as well. Okay. It's very much in my forehead. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Now, what synthetic, like this, no. You know, do not put it in like a little bun in the back, because it's going to tangle like that, okay? And that was my fault. I, you know, forgot, but hold on, let's figure this out. Can you guys see the camera closer? This is how it looks. I'm not doing all that to this because obviously I'm going to be wearing a side part, so this is going to be covered. This is what matters over here. Okay, so when brushing synthetic hair, you have to work your way from bottom to top, I've heard. So I have two different combs. I have this one, not two different combs. I have a comb and I have a brush. I have this comb and then I have this brush. So we're gonna do two different sides and then compare it. I'm not too sure what the recommended brush is, but I do know you're not supposed to use this because that's common sense. You're not supposed to use this. So this for this side and then this for this side. Okay, so I split it. Ooh. Okay. Okay. It hasn't been brushed, okay? So I split it down the middle, and we're gonna start off with this kind. And please do not school me in the comments, you guys. I'm just trying it out. I'm not 100% sure what you're supposed to use, so do not come for me. After combing out this side, nothing was on the brush. It's probably this much that I had, but nothing from the actual brush. Comb, nothing's on this comb when I comb through it. As you can see, it's very like flowy and bouncy. So let's try out the brush with this side. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, so automatically I would say a brush like this is 10 times better than using a comb like this on synthetic weaves. It did comb, but I feel like you have to be more patient and struggle a bit with this type of comb. But with a brush, it is much more able to detangle. I'm not sure if this is a detangling brush or not, but I used not that much shed. It didn't shed as much. The curls are still very much intact. As you can see, you can run your fingers through this hair. I would give this hair a good 9 out of 10. It's very, very good. For one, the lace is really good, but I do have to say, I'm not sure if you can do a middle part, so let's try it out. If, you know, some people may want to do different parts. So yeah, like I figured, a middle part does not go. This is as far as it goes for a middle part, but if you want to finesse a middle part, you can with this much lace. It is preferred to have a side part. As you can see, it's much deeper with a side part. The lace is very, very thin. It's very, very much, it's giving you very much HD type of lace. It is thin, so that's a good thing. The hair color is bomb. We'll see, as you can see. A little tangle here and there, but I mean, overall, it's not that much of a tangle because you do know it is synthetic weave. It's not supposed to be 100% nice, so I'm not really tripping about that. Yeah, the hair is not too long. Stops right, don't mind this makeup, but it stops right at my boobs, so it's not too long. Very, very nice. And yeah, you can definitely rock a ponytail with this hair. You can leave it like this. You can do a side part, as you said. I did not do anything to this. I did not bleach it. You cannot bleach synthetic lace, I'm pretty sure. It came pre-plucked, so all of this plucking was not done. It was already done, as you can see. Nothing was plucked. I just put this bad boy on, and then I did my makeup, and I came back on here. So if you guys want to go ahead and try out this Outre, if you want to try out this wig, be sure to go ahead and grab you one. Like I said below, I'll put the name in the description box below, the length and the color, and also how much I paid, so you guys can compare prices and go ahead and buy it. This is really, 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 really nice synthetic weave. It can pass for human hair if you stand from afar, but it does shed. Like I just ran my hand through it. It does shed, so just be very cautious about that. Not too much though, but yeah, that's all I have to say about this hair. So if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase it, you're not wasting your bucks. It's pretty good for the price, and you're getting a HD lace with a synthetic wig. That's amazing. Okay, so if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me back as I came back to this YouTube. I know it's been a minute, but I'll be back with more videos. Okay, thank you and peace out.